We are giving away a Balenciaga. I love a good unboxing. This bag retails for $2,500.
Meghan Trainor asked Remy if she could come on the pod.
The pod episode with Meghan Trainor was so good. Good morning. As you can tell, we are getting ready. I know, I look so cute. I had a little extra time to get ready this morning and I kind of felt like being in a little pamper mood, so I took my time and we're about to get ready for our day. I need to do days like this more often. So I'm assuming you saw the intro to this video. Yes, we are having a very exciting giveaway. I haven't done a giveaway in so long. And this is like, if you're gonna enter a giveaway, this is the giveaway to enter because we are giving away a Balenciaga purse. And not just any Balenciaga purse, like the it bag for summer 2022 Balenciaga purse. I have an orange one. Remy got it for my birthday and we're giving away a white one. It's beautiful. I kind of want a white one now for myself, but we're gonna be giving it away to you guys, do not worry. So I'll do an unboxing later. I'll show you close up everything about it, but I cannot take full credit for it. I'm actually partnering with the Creme shop. I literally love them so much. They also sponsored my birthday party forever ago. If you saw that vlog, if not, you should because it was a rager.
Literally, my life is beaches every.
So I love them and they actually sent over a ton of products and I figured since we're giving away the bag, it would be perfect to kind of just like try some of them out because I've tried a lot of their products, but not every single thing. Like for instance, I've never tried an eyeshadow palette from them. I feel like I usually do more of like the masks and that kind of stuff. They have the best eye masks. Like you guys, during Coachella, I think I had these on every single day and these ones don't fall off your face. I've had other ones where if I'm trying to do chores or like walking around doing laundry, cleaning, whatever, they're like falling off my face. So then all you can do is lay in bed with them on, otherwise they fall off. These ones like stay on. I could freaking do flips. I could do cartwheels. They will stay on my face. And obviously they're cute too, so like that's a plus, but I think the main thing I love about them is the fact that they stay on my face. They're super hydrating. So yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna try some of these products out. Do not skip until the giveaway, okay? We're talking retention on this video. That's all I'm saying. If you're not familiar with them, they have the literally the cutest packaging for their stuff. Like genuinely the fucking cutest. Also, I feel like this brand is so like underrated. And the reason why I'm saying this is because they're from Korea and Korea is known like to have the best skincare in the entire world. I mean, I know they're killing it. I just feel like people are sleeping on this brand. Like it's cute, it's good for your skin. Like make it make sense. I feel like we could learn a few things from them, you know? But let's get started. Isn't it kind of weird seeing my forehead now? Like I'm so used to me with bangs. Also, I don't know if you noticed, we have a mattress gone from the glam room. Honestly, this room like is so much bigger and I'm so excited. The room's almost there. I'm so excited. I'm still sleeping in the guest room just because I don't know, this is so my personality. I kind of want to move in to the bedroom once it's like fully done. Like I don't want to sleep in there. Like it's halfway done right now and I just feel like it'd feel more new and fresh if I wait. So I'm still sleeping in the guest room. Okay, this is their micro brow crayon and a spoolie. I love when there's a spoolie. Like why doesn't everything have a spoolie? Honestly, I have no crazy plans today. I think I'm just gonna stay home and kind of finish cleaning up and edit a little bit. So I don't wanna do like a crazy going out type, you know, we're not trying to do a smoky eye. Gorge. I have actually been wanting to try this for so long, so I'm very excited. This is their brightening banana set bake conceal powder. Like I've always heard so much about banana powder. So this is like a brightening setting powder. Ever since freaking IMATS 2011, I went to this makeup show and everyone was raving about a banana powder or something. And I've just never tried. I've never tried. I'm sorry, how cute is this? 20 out of 10 for packaging. Oh wait, I need to do the cream blush first before we set anything. This is the C'est La Peach Cushion Blush. Look at this. You open it, boom. It comes with a little poof that goes here. And then you open this. Gorge. Oh my God, wait, this is just fun. I'm gonna go do, 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 do. Pardon my language, but holy fuck. I think I like this better. I think I like this better than the Rare Beauty blush, which like. Literally me being actually. Shut up. There are a lot of cream blushes that take off your foundation underneath, like when you blend it in, and I feel like this just perfectly like. Also, am I a peach blush girl? Have I been doing it wrong my whole life? I like how this is very buildable, which I kind of like that in a blush because I feel like blush can be a lot. And if you put too much blush, it's hard to get rid of it without totally removing your makeup. And I like how this is so blendable. Oh my God. Shit. Big fan. Okay. Now we can go in with the banana powder. Boom. Yep. Bake your under eyes and eliminate dark circles. For the most appealing soft matte finish, apply all over the face to blur imperfections without clogging your pores. We love not clogging our pores. Okay. Eyeshadow? Desert Springs. Does makeup just make anyone else happy? Like, ooh, a fresh little palette. Okay, eyeshadow slaps. I don't have like a contour type powder or anything from them, so I'm just gonna use my own, mostly just to contour my nose because I don't care if I have an everyday look or a full glam going out look, like I will be contouring my nose. They also did send lashes, but I'm like, am I feeling just mascara today? Let's do mascara first and then I'll decide. If you hear construction, it's because they're literally working on my room right now, so I apologize if it's loud. The one thing I've learned from working with different makeup artists, not one thing, I've learned actually quite a lot from working with them, but one thing I've definitely learned is that I need to curl my lashes every single day, whether I'm wearing makeup or not, because it makes such a difference, and I get lazy. Like, that's it. I just get actually so lazy, but it really does make such a difference. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do the mascara. All right, y'all. My bangs are gonna actually be insane right now. This is why I'm not a beauty guru. Oh my God, they're actually horrendous. Anyways, that is the finished makeup look. I never really like very minimal makeup, and I feel like I'm really vibing with this. Like, just mascara, not too much eyeshadow. My hand's kind of shaking from my coffee. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for. Hello. I love a good unboxing. So basically me and Creme Shop are having a giveaway on Instagram. So if you want to enter, follow all the rules there. You have to follow both me and them on Instagram, but all the rules are in the description as well as on the Instagram post. You will see this one on my page. And one lucky winner will be winning. When I tell you, I am so jealous. I don't even know how to say the type of white, no size. Not sure if you know this, but this bag retails for $2,500. And one of you guys are gonna be getting it for free. You can have it on your shoulder like so. You can have it crossbody and have it extra low. This baby is gonna be like, ooh, this baby is gonna be one of yours. I love it so much. And not only do you get this, but you also get a ton of Creme Shop items. Here's a little sneak peek. They have the eye patches that I was talking about, even some face masks. Like, they have really cute like animal ones, and they're just like, they're cuter than your traditional boring white ones, you know? We got the blushes I was raving about. We got lipsticks. We got lip gloss. More lipsticks. Faux real freckle stamp. That's so cute. It's a little star. Eyeliner. Them lashes. You get the point. Go over to my Instagram and good luck. Iconic. So excited. So excited. When Alisha Marie has a giveaway, let me just say she has a giveaway. So I will put this baby back in here to keep her safe. But yeah, obsessed. So yeah, thank you to the Creme Shop for sponsoring this vlog and giveaway. I love you guys, so cheers. Hey besties. Okay, so I decided to wear like this purple scarf top and wear it backwards. If anyone sees the tag flipped up, just let me know and we will fix it. Today's a very exciting day in the Pretty Basics studio.
I'm on the way.
Me. See you soon.
Cool. Susan likes it, hearts it. Today we have Remy's her new Pretty Basic co-host coming in to the studio. I'm actually so excited. More so because I'm so excited for you. Like genuinely, this is Remy's like literal dream.
The power of manifestation, people. Let me just say that much.
Basically, we got Meghan Trainor. Well, actually, Meghan Trainor asked Remy if she could come on the pod.
Not quite asked. She more so was like, she's definitely heard my asks, and so was like, yeah, I'll come on the pod.
But exactly, like, she brought it up to you.
Yes, she did.
For years, you've been like, oh my God, Meghan Trainor. If we got Meghan Trainor, oh my God. So she should be here any minute. Very excited. We went over our outline, but I think it's gonna be a really good, like, just conversation because she seems like such a down-to-earth, like, girl.
I can't stop smiling.
Oh my gosh. Remy looks at me, she was like, you have to carry this pod. And I was like, no, this whole podcast is gonna be you two talking so much. And I'm gonna be here like, you know it's so true. Here's the fit. My top is from, I think, Revolve. It came with a matching skirt set, but again, I just did a little DIY. I should probably tie it tighter. And then I'm wearing my local European, their take on the like parachute pant trends. They're more like linen pants though.
I wanted those.
They're so cute. We got a little bang trim this morning. I'm just very excited because they were getting a little too long. And then we just did like a straight blowout. See, oh, this top.
Hey, Remy.
We have someone for you.
Hi everyone, I'm Meghan Trainor.
Feel my heart. Really feel my heart. I'm gonna not fangirl too much. I'm gonna drop.
I'm a pop star. Did you tell him I just want to hook up? She was like, yeah, don't worry. And I was like, no, tell him I want to be my girlfriend. The best therapy session I've ever had.
Okay.
Wait, shit. Can I piss? Sorry.
Yes,
Oh
go.
Nar?
Update time. The pod episode with Meghan Trainor was so good, you guys. So good. I told Remy afterwards, like, I knew that she seemed like a really cool down-to-earth person, but now actually being around her and like seeing her real personality, I get why she like is killing it on TikTok right now. I get why Remy's obsessed with her. Like, they're genuinely the same person. It's so funny. It was a really, really good episode, so I'm excited. That's gonna be out probably soon, or it might already be out, so I'll put the link in the description box if it's already out, but it's coming out next week. And the amount of DMs that I got of people freaking out like, oh my God, Meghan's coming on the pod was really fun to see. And yeah, so nice, so down to earth, genuinely felt like an actual friend. Like, the episode was not an interview, and that's why we're really picky with the guests that we have come on the pod, because we don't want it to feel like an interview. Like, Remy and I aren't trying to be hosts. We like when it's just us having a conversation with people instead of an interview status type thing. So she killed it. She was amazing. I'm currently heading home though, and I'm excited to just kind of clean, organize. I'm gonna try to get a quick workout in before I just sit on the couch and get lazy. So I'm telling myself right now, just 30 minutes, girl. Good morning. I think it's the next day. Honestly, I don't remember the last thing I vlogged. I think it was Meghan Trainor. I am currently headed to go get a facial, and I'm very excited because my skin just needs it. Obviously, seeing Sarah, if you saw my prepping for Coachella video, I think that was the first time I vlogged me going to see her, but she just got a new office. So I'm really excited to see that. And also, I just feel like we could use a little deep cleaning of the pores. And then after that, I think I just am gonna declutter the house and kind of organize some stuff, because I meant to the other day and I didn't. Also, we're wearing the Parallel Apparel Trendsetter collection. This is the hoodie, and I'm also wearing the sweatshorts. You just probably can't see them. And Sage. We are gonna be doing a restock. I'm gonna have the date on the screen. I don't think it's gonna change. I'm always scared to say dates until it's like finally set in stone, but I'll put it on the screen and I'll let you know if it changes, but mark your calendars because we're gonna be restocking some stuff. So many people have been like wanting more of the storm color and all that stuff, so I'm so excited. We're almost to my appointment. We should be there in 4 minutes, 3 minutes. It just changed. We got it done. I'm gonna show you.
We did a treatment. We did nano needling, which is really
I mean, it doesn't
good.
look amazing right now, but I know it's gonna look amazing right now.
Take a picture in like 10 days.
I know, I will. We'll insert it
selfie.
here. Also, congrats on the new space. It's seriously so nice.
Thank you.
It's probably so nice to have good lighting too. Like
now
the window.
for all my girl selfies.
Oh
let's
yes,
go.
you know, you get it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My skin is so red. So I didn't end the vlog. Or did I? Because now I am. Ollie's on the phone. He was like, end the vlog. And I was like, fine, I'll end it. Anyways, love you guys. I'll see you soon. Mwah. He got bitches.